Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is 4 power of a times 4 power of a, which is equal to 400. Find the value of a from this equation. Solution: in the first step, we have to record this problem. So 4 power of a times 4 power of a, which is equal to 400. So from this equation, this part here is in the form of a power of n times a power of m is equal to a power of n plus m. So applying this rule to this part, it will be 4 power of a plus a, which is equal to 400. So a plus a will be 2a, so 4 power of 2a, which is equal to 400. So it is an exponential equation. So this exponential equation is solved by introducing logarithms. So let's introduce log on both sides of the equation. Log 4 power of 2a, which is equal to log of 400. Now, from rule of logarithm, log a power of b is always equal to b times log of a. So applying this rule into this part, it will be this 2a will come to the base, so 2a times log of 4, which is equal to log of 400. Now let's divide, or we can rewrite this one. We can take this coefficient into this part, so it can be written as a times 2 times of log 4, which is equal to log of 400. Now let's divide both sides of the equation by 2 times log of 4, so we will get a divided by 2 times log of 4 divided by 2 times log of 4. Then the remaining term will be a, which is equal to log of 400 divided by 2 times log of 4. And we can factorize this 400 as 400, which is equal to 4 times 100. So a, which is equal to log of this 400, will be 4 times 100 divided by 2 times log of 4. So from rule of logarithm, log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So applying this rule into the numerator, a will be a, which is equal to log of 4 plus log of 100 divided by 2 times log of 4. Then a, which is equal to log of 4 divided by 2 times log of 4 plus log of 100 divided by 2 times log of 4. Then this log of 4 will be cancelled. Then a, which is equal to 1 over 2 plus log of 100 divided by 2 times log of 4. And this part here, 100 can be factorized as 10 square. This 100 can be expressed as 10 power of 2. So a, which is equal to 1 over 2 plus log of 10 power of 2 divided by 2 times log of 4. Then this power will come to the base a, which is equal to 1 over 2 plus 2 times log of 10 divided by 2 times log of 4. So as you have seen here, these 2 will be cancelled. Then a, which is equal to 1 over 2 plus, and this 10 can be written as 10, which is equal to 5 times 2. So this log 10 will be log of 5 times 2 divided by log of 4. So a, which is equal to 1 over 2 plus this log 5 times 2 will be log of 5 plus log of 2 divided by this 4 can be written as log of 2 power of 2. And then a, which is equal to 1 over 2 plus this log 5 divided by this power 2, which comes to the base 2 times log of 2 plus log of 2 divided by 2 times log of 2. Then a, which is equal to 1 over 2 plus, and this part will be log 2 divided by log 2 will be 1, so the remaining will be 1 over 2 plus, and we have 1 here, so 1 over 2 times log of 5 divided by log of 2. Then let's sum up. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 will be 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times log of 5 divided by log of 2. Then a, which is equal to 2 divided by 2 will be 1 plus 1 over 2 times log of 5 divided by log of 2. So this part here in the form of log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of a to the base b. So applying this rule to this part, a will be a, which is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 times log of a here is 5 to the base 2. This is the final value of a, which satisfies the given equation. We can check by substituting this value into the equation. So, and thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.